Hi friends, welcome to our channel MS Excel Learning. Today we are going to see how to create a pivot table in the fastest way we can. But before that we'll understand what the requirement is. So as you see in the table, so they have plotted the region, region ABC, then they have plotted the state XYZ, then there is a segment like 1, 2, 3. Then after this they have put the values, and in finally how they want is they want us to sort the values from highest to lowest order. Okay friends, so I hope you understand the requirement. Then I'll go to the base data, and first what we'll do, I'll perform the task and I'll show it to you how much time does it take when you perform this task using the shortcut keys. Okay friends, so I'll start the timer also. So as you see, I have used the countdown timer from the Google. So currently it is set as 5 minutes. I'll press on start and then I'll go to the Excel sheet. So I have clicked. Okay, so I am in the base data file. So just watch friends, I'll do and then I'll let you know. Okay. Yes friends, so you see that I had started the timer at 5, and before it reached to 4th minute I have completed the pivot table. So you can see that as you have seen, we have just it just took us only 40-50 seconds to create this pivot table with the shortcut keys. So now I'll let you know step by step how to create this pivot table, how to format, how to align everything else from step by step. Okay friends, so first I'll delete this sheet and then we'll start. So I have deleted the pivot table that I had created earlier. So now we'll go step by step. So this is our base data. So normally what people do, if they want us to create any pivot table, what they'll do is they'll go to the insert menu, then they'll click on pivot table, then they select the table range, then they click OK, then everything else. So this is just a time consuming, so we'll not use this way. We'll use the shortcut method. So you are in the base data file. So what you'll have to do, you have to press Ctrl A. So this will select all the data, and once you press this Ctrl E, once you have selected all the data, you have to press Alt D, then you have to press P, and as you see in this table what it is showing, so there will be 3 steps. So you don't need to go through all the steps, so you just have to follow. You just have to enter 3 times. You have to press enter, 1 2 3. Okay friends, so we are in the table. So we'll do it one more time for your better understanding. I'll delete the sheet. Okay, so we are in the base data file again. So what I did is I pressed Ctrl A, I selected all the data, then I pressed Alt D, then P for Pune, then I'll hit enter 3 times, 1 2 3. So our pivot table, base table is ready. So we just have to pull now values and you have to drop in the respective columns. Okay, so we'll do one more time. So this is the final time we are going to do this. I'll just delete this sheet. Okay, so we are in the base file again. So what I'll do is I'll press Ctrl A, then Alt D, D for Delhi, then I pressed P for Pune, then I'll hit enter 3 times, 1 2 3. So our base data is ready. Now what you'll have to do, you have to just go in the pivot table fields. So first what the requirement was region. So first you will put region into rows, then you have to put state into rows after the region. Then they ask us to put the segment also. So segments you have to put it in columns. Then finally you have to put the profit into values. So our data is ready. So these, if you see these numbers, they are not formatted properly and there are some decimal places. So what I'll do, first I'll select all these. So either you can select by mouse from C to F all these columns, entire columns, or what you'll do, you have to go you have to click on any of this cell and select, or you can do Control Shift and End. So let's say if you are in the C5 column, and what you'll have to do, you have to press Control Shift and right arrow button. So first these four cells are selected, then you'll have to press Control and space. So what this will do, this will select all these four columns C, D, E and F. Either you use this shortcut key, or you can select by mouse also, but I would suggest you should use this shortcut keys only. You have to avoid the usage of mouse so that you can increase your speed in Excel. Okay friends, so I'll convert this into numbers. So these are already numbers, I just want to convert it into the currency. So first I have selected this, then I'll show you what is the shortcut key for this. You will have to select Control Shift and then you have to press number 4. If you see in your keyboard, there is a number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and on number 4 key there is also Indian rupees symbol or dollar symbol is there. So you have to press Control Shift and this number 4. So this will convert into rupees, Indian rupees. So once you converted these numbers into currency, you can see there are 2 decimal places after each value. If you do not want these decimal places, you can remove both the decimal values. So for that you will have to press Alt H9. So each time you press Alt H9, this will remove one decimal value. So again I'll do the Alt H9. So this will remove the second decimal value also. As you can see, we have removed the decimal values and our numbers are aligned at the right side. So if you want it in the center, you have to press Alt H AC. You have to press Alt H AC. So your numbers will be aligned in the central. So you can see your numbers are properly aligned. And so our next task was you have to sort this data from highest to lowest. So what you will have to do, you have to select this grand total first row. You have to right click on this, or you can press the right option key which is there on your keyboard. Either you do. So what we'll do now, I'll press right click, then you can see sort option is there. But instead of selecting mouse and then selecting the options, what I would suggest, just right click, then press S and then press O. So what this will do, this will sort your values from highest to lowest. So as you can see, 24,000, then 18,000, then 10,000 likewise, and all your negative values are at the end. Okay friends, so this is our basic formatting things we are done. Then you can also see that in the first column there is region, but region is appearing only one time. And state, you can see under this region there are multiple states, but if you want to show this central also multiple times in front of all the states, so what you will have to do, you have to go to the design menu bar, then you have to go to report layout and click on repeat all items. So once you press this, you can see region is appearing in front of all the state names. So this is how you will create a pivot table in the fastest way. I hope you liked it friends. So try practicing it. I'll update the shortcut keys also. I'll prepare shortcut key notes for you and I'll put it at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. You can share this with your friends and colleagues also, so that they can also learn these techniques. Okay friends, so see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.